Autonomy and safety innovation is what our company is built on. Mraz Robotics designs robotic solutions that work for us, keep us far away from dangerous tasks, add efficiency and flexibility to our daily lives. Our founder always dreamed to bring autonomous robots to perform daily tasks that should not be made by people. This dream and ambition brought an idea of autonomous mobile robot, Mraz 3. The labor shortage, reliability problems, and raising costs are an endless loop and a real challenge for us. Robots should not replace human work just to help us accomplish financially demanding tasks that are dangerous and time-consuming with a reliable technological device. Our mission is to increase the productivity, efficiency, safety, and quality of our partners' businesses based on their customized expectation. The future of robotics is here.